house current. But if your barn does not have electricity or you do it in your field, Easy Animal Products came up with a solution.
This is an inverter with house current and a USB plug that has an adapter on the top for 20 volt DeWalt batteries, which is what we use, but it also does 18 volt Makita and 18 volt Milwaukee. Has this plate and it just slides. Oh, pull the cord out, there we go. Slides right in, and it comes with 2 self-tapping screws. It screws right in the plate. Pretty cool, huh? Mm-hmm. Now, I haven't showed you how to do this, have I?
No, sir.
Didn't you say that Easy Animal Products is easy because they meant it, right? Mm-hmm. So, you figure it out.
First off, I'm pretty sure you put the battery in.
Okay, battery slides in, battery in.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And then that.
Okay.
Is the generators on.
Okay. Inverter.
Inverter.
Well, don't turn that on yet because you're not plugged it up. Plug the power cord.
Oh, wait.
The power cord.
Yeah, because it goes in there. Here we go. Sorry about that.
Have you ever turned this on?
No.
Okay.
I'm just trying to figure this out. Now we do it. Whoa.
Is that loud?
No.
Okay.
Not at all, actually.
So, we told you this is the adjustment knob. And we got goats, so let's do it on the black line. So you adjust it to get it to the black line.
Right there.
How's that?
Perfect.
Is it perfect? Look at it. On the black line.
Wait,
Too much pressure. Back it off. Back it off.
Right there.
No, that's cow.
I can't really see it that good. Yeah.
You're on it.
There we go.
Cow. Oh, too high. Goats. Now, let's take one of these. Hold it.
Whoa!
Put your head in there.
Oh,
Can you feel the pressure?
Yeah.
Feel the pressure? Is it hurting pressure?
No. Feels perfect, actually. That's pretty cool.
Right? Like that doesn't, see it sucks? Let's stop. See it suck? Like there's pressure there, but it's a gentle pressure. It's not hurting me at all. Right? Because we don't want to hurt our babies, do we? No, we put too much effort in on our goats to hurt them. What do you think? Cool. Quiet. Can you pick it up? Think you carry that around? Put that in the back of the Kubota and drive it out? Cool.
It weighs a good 30 pounds.
I don't know how much it weighs. We'll have to look that up. But it doesn't weigh a lot. It doesn't weigh a lot. Pretty cool.
Turn the little generator on. Select it just like that. Take our key.
And the kit, we didn't go through the unboxing of the kit. It had a lot of the same stuff that the Utterly has, you know, the cloth and that sort of stuff. But a lot of things to clean. It's got some like brushes that come in and clean out the hoses. So pretty cool. What do you think, buddy?
I think this is pretty ultimate easy.
Bye.